what I want to bring to you today. And that's a question, a reality check. Okay, which will start with a question. And the question is this. On the game of networking, 1 to 10, how many marks do you give to yourself? How good of a networker you are, right? So 1 to 10, I just want you to think of a number in your head. I don't want you to share it with me because I'm going to try and break that number for you, right? So I don't want to embarrass you, okay? So think of a number on a scale of 1 to 10, how good of a networker you are, right? Cool. Now, whatever number you've thought, let's see if that number stays. Okay, so Manish has shared. Brilliant, Manish. Thank you. Atul, I need sharing rights, please.
You need sharing.
If you could.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
All right, cool. Done. So, Atul, can you give it to my other account, the one with photo, because I'm going to share the screen from my iPad.
Just, okay. Done.
Right. Okay, got it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Atul. So guys, understand this one concept, that the science of networking is a 3-tier concept, right? So tier 1, tier 2, and then tier 3. And you are only sorted with network. And I'm talking about business networking right now, because I only have 15 minutes. I'm taking up a micro topic, right? And that topic is business networking, because I believe that is what you're here for, right? You're not here for business networking. In this group, you're making a huge mistake. I've seen this pattern that a lot of people come around, join the networking platforms, and they come around and say, you know what, I've got great relationships, Paritosh, even if I'm not getting a business. Huge mistake, because this is what's going to happen. For some time, you're going to enjoy being here. But after that, your business owner mind is going to kick in, and it's going to say, yeah, okay, good. I've been here for so long. I've put in so much time, effort, and money, but what have I made back? And the answer would be not enough. And then you will end up exiting this platform or any other platform, right? Thinking, yeah, oh, you know what, this platform doesn't have what I want, right? I want you to remember something, guys, and I'm going to write it here. This is so important, okay? And remember this. Platforms don't fail. People do, right? I want you to remember this. Platforms don't fail, people do. And the reason people fail is because they get lost and confused between what do they want. I know 100% that one of the biggest reasons that you're in this platform is business, but I also know that majority of you are okay not getting business right now, because you would be getting relationships, you would be getting friends, you would be getting this and that, which is great. I'm not saying uska value nahi hai, right? But what I'm saying is that if you're not strategically networking, if you are not focused on this platform strategically, right, after some point in time, you're going to feel there's not enough return on investment here. Okay, so stop thinking networking and start thinking strategic networking, right? This means organized, structured, focused, goal-oriented networking. You need to know, why are you here? How much time and effort you need to put in. I heard somebody saying earlier, who was that gentleman? I'm trying to find, I can't remember who was that gentleman. Somebody was just right now saying, I want people to come up and take responsibilities, right? Maybe little ones. You should, of course you should. And the reason you're not going to do that is because you wouldn't understand how taking on that responsibility is going to help you win, right? So if you want to be at platforms, the first thing you need to know is, why are you at the platform, right? What's your goal, right? And when you know the goal, you need to know how much effort you need to put in the platform to achieve that goal. And from there, you need to know what actions do I need to take in the platform, right? So the more credibility that you have in the platform, the more likely, please remember, likely you are to get business. It does not mean that you will, right? So networker दो तीन तरह के होते हैं, right? I'm sharing this with you. एक होते हैं giver negative, right? So giver negative जो होते हैं वो कहते हैं कि यार हम तो दे रहे हैं, हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? फिर होते हैं giver neutral. Giver neutral कहते हैं कि जी हम दे रहे हैं, जो आएगा, जैसे आएगा, जब आएगा, आ जाएगा, Majority people fall into this giver neutral category. They're giving, they're helping, but they don't have a strategic plan of getting. The most successful networkers in networking are giver positive. Networkers who are giving, who also want to create something back. If I'm giving something to Atul, I'm not saying कि मुझे अतुल से ही वापस चाहिए, but I have a plan of action to get something back from the platform. In any given networking platform, only 10% of people are making money, and that is not the fault of the platform. That is the fault of the people because they're not being strategic about it. So the question that I want to ask you is, what's your strategy? We're all here at eGrowth. What's your strategy for eGrowth, right? Do you understand, do you have the answers to this? That what is your goal? And I mean, how much business you're looking to generate from here, right? Do you know how much effort you have to put in after this meeting is over? Are you, maybe you are, maybe you're not, I don't know. But are you having the one-on-ones? Are you talking to Atul and saying, hey, Atul, let's do this initiative. Let's do that initiative. We could do this for our members, right? And then do you know what actions are you supposed to be taking? Are you supposed to be meeting people one-on-one? Are you supposed to be helping people get connects so that that relationship is built and that giving comes back to you? But if you don't have the answers to these questions, right, then what you're doing is something that I call RBN. Kisko iski full form yaad hai? Anyone remembers? Right. Okay, so I'll remind you. This is called Ram Bharose networking. Right, and that's not strategic networking. I have seen seasoned networkers, people who have been in the game of networking for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, make this mistake. That they're there somewhere, but they don't understand how, because you know what, I did a workshop yesterday in which I said, the problem with networking is it is very difficult to quantify, right? It's very difficult. It's not impossible. It's not impossible to quantify, right? It is possible to quantify कि आपको कितना return चाहिए, उसके लिए कितना effort डालना है. It is possible to do that. But the problem is we've never actually sat down and asked ourselves, okay, I'm here. What am I really looking to get from here? And what do I need to do in order to get that, right? So if you don't have answer to these three questions, आप राम भरोसे networking कर रहे हो, आपको अगर ऐसा, and my apologies अगर आपको बुरा लगे, but जो लोग मेरे को जानते हो I'm a very straight shooter, okay? And I'm going to say it very straight कि अगर आपके इन questions का आंसर नहीं है, अगर आप प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो और अगर आप प्लेटफॉर्म से बिजनेस जनरेट करना चाहते हो और आपके पास इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर नहीं है, right, you're playing love by chance. If something comes out, it'll come out, right? Smart business owners don't do that. Smart business owners know how to marry these two things, how to marry strategy plus authenticity. Don't mind if I got the spelling wrong, right? So smart business owners को ये दो चीजें marry करना आता है कि वो यहाँ आएंगे जब relationships बना रहे हैं तो वो genuine है, वो real हैं, वो सिर्फ लेने के लिए relationship नहीं बना रहे हैं, लेकिन उस सबके पीछे they also know how to put a strategy behind it. And if you're not doing that, if you don't have a defined strategy, right, किस्मत है फिर आपकी. Maybe you'll get lucky, maybe you won't. And I'm not saying आपका strategy होगी then there's a definite success. No, because सही काम को करने के भी गलत तरीके होते हैं, right? So I don't know how you're doing it, but you need to sit down and really ask yourself what's going on. And then let's go back to where we started the conversation from. Networking के 3 tiers हैं अगर आपको networking करनी है सही तरीके से, right? सबसे पहला tier जो होता है networking का, वो आपके customers होते हैं, right? Your first focus, primary focus has to be on your customers, right? And customers से जब आपके relationships balance हो जाएं, ठीक हो जाएं, सब हो जाएं, then you need to start focusing on referrals from your customers, specifically from your customers. और उसके बाद आता है आपका open network, right? That is when you go to networking platforms, etc. Right? So if your existing customers are being ignored, if you're not staying in touch with them, if you're not creating value in their life, if you're not meeting them, and existing customers also includes your past customers, by the way. बहुत बार होता है. So हम business owners क्या करते हैं? Customer onboard हुआ, उसके बाद हम उससे सिर्फ transactionally बात करते हैं, relationship goes out of the window. एक बार project खत्म हुआ तो भूल ही जाते हैं, So if you're doing that, right, आपका इसी level पे गड़बड़ हो रहा है, right? And then if you're not going to your customers and not getting referrals, even though you know that you're an entrepreneur, and one of the most profitable ways for an entrepreneur to grow their business is an introduction from an existing customers. And if you're not going and getting those introductions, you're making a huge mistake again. Business least effort, highest return philosophy पे चलाना चाहिए कि सबसे कम effort डाल के सबसे highest return कहाँ मिल सकता है, ठीक है? And networking platforms is one of those things, and your customer referrals is one of those things. But the biggest is customer referrals, please understand. और ये होने के बाद आप open networking पे जाते हो, लेकिन open networking में कहाँ जाना है, कौन सी सही जगह है, e-growth में आप हो, कितना business लाना है? How many of you actually have defined कि आपको e-growth से कितना business चाहिए? जिसने करा है, kudos, brilliant, amazing, right? जिसने नहीं करा है, what are we doing? Right? We often confuse our ability to have great conversations as with our ability to be a great networker. Right? And the reason I'm being so forward and direct with you guys today is because I can see this group and I can tell कि आप लोग pros हो. Right? And क्योंकि आप pros हो, अतुल को मालूम है कि 15 मिनट काफी हैं. तो मैं उसी basis पे I'm coming straight to the point. I'm not, मेरी जितनी भी talk start होती हैं वो बहुत एक basic level से start होती हैं. We start with the introduction of networking, then we build up, right? The reason I'm not doing that is because one, I have 15 minutes. I want to make sure that you're shaken up, you're waking up, right? You get a reality check. And number two, I want you to understand the value of where you are and question, are you doing e-growth right? Are you doing networking right? Right? E-growth, it needs to be part of your networking strategy. But do you even have a strategy? Or are you at e-growth because e-growth was happening and you just happened to know Atul and you liked the feeling and you came? If you've come in for that reason, that's the wrong reason. Change your reason. You could be at the right place and still do the wrong thing. Change your reason. And the reason has the primary reason. This is a business networking platform. Correct, Atul? Am I correct in saying so? Yes. So it's a business networking platform. It starts with business. Don't treat this as a networking platform. You're going to fail, and as a result, collectively, the platform will fail. The primary objective has to be business. And for that to happen, you need to have strategy. See, guys, remember this. अगर आपने मेरे को कभी भी सुना, आपने मेरे मुंह से sentence जरूर सुना होगा, success is in the basics. Success comes from the fundamentals. It doesn't come from advanced strategies. It doesn't come from doing fancy things. If you're not a networker within, going to a platform is not going to help you. Platforms only amplify what you're capable of. Right? So you have to work on your capability. You have to work on your strategic mind. You have to start asking yourself, I'm a business owner. My first and biggest objective and responsibility is profits of my business. How much am I getting? How much am I getting from e-growth? Do you know what's the cost of your time that you're putting in these meetings and then in the one-to-ones? And I think Hariharaji and somebody else just said that they went to a different city and met with a member, right? That's time gone, right? Collectively, how many hours are you spending in a month on e-growth? What's your return plan? If you don't have that, it's Ram Bharosa networking, right? So my closing argument here, please go back to the drawing board, right? Number one, first and foremost, most important, networking needs to become a function of your business. The way sales is, the way marketing is. It needs to become a function of your business, which means it needs to have its goal, it needs to have its action plan, it needs to have its tracking methodology. If you don't have that, then you're not networking. At least you're not doing business networking, right? Then focus on your customers, focus on getting referrals from the customers, then focus on open platforms. This is the success sequence. This is the value ladder of networking. And from there, start creating goals, right? You got to have goals of how many referrals you want from your customers each month. You got to have goals of what is the business you're looking to generate from e-growth. Because when you do that, e-growth will all of a sudden become more important for you. It will become more relevant for you. because now you have a goal. And then you will start coming in front and start taking ownership, because you know, you would understand, only when you have a goal, you would understand what is the value of taking ownership, responsibility, tasks. Yeah, it was Virendraji who was saying this earlier, that he wants people to come ahead and take on responsibilities. So the only way you'll take on that responsibility is when you realize that how they contribute to your end goal. Right. E-growth needs to have two kinds of goal. One is collective goal, which is the success of e-growth. The more successful e-growth is, the more successful everybody will be. Right. And the second is your goal. What do you want out of it? And I can promise you, I can guarantee you, I'm looking into your eye right now, and I'm telling you, majority of you do not have an answer to that question. And that is not okay. Go back to the basics. Go back to the drawing board. Get this right. Right? Atul, I think that's my 15 minutes up.
Fantastic. So do you have, can we borrow another 15 minutes from you?
Sure. Yeah. Just give me 1 second. Let me just check my calendar before I commit.
Yeah, please.
Just one moment.
So while Paritosh goes through his calendar, all of you would be aware that Paritosh is going to be leading a program called NRPN, New Rules of Professional Networking. Okay. In my belief, that is something which should become a curriculum of e-growth. All right. And right now, what I'm doing is this is what? This is called benign selling. Okay. So there can be cancerous selling, and then there can be benign selling. This is benign selling. Okay. So whether you continue with e-growth or not, if you take that into your life, I promise you, your life will be different. Why am I saying so is, so I've known Paritosh since 2015, 2018, I participated in the NRPN. And e-growth has never been the same after that. Okay. This would be the smallest of gifts which I can personally give to you. Don't ask me to pay for your ticket, please. Okay. Yeah. So what I could do is, there are some people who have already participated in Paritosh's event, in workshops and trainings. If you could please share what have been your experiences, and then all of you can take a call if you would like to participate in the upcoming NRPN, which is on between 9th and 11th of April. All right. So fastest finger first. Who would like to share something? What you picked up from
Atulji.
Hanji,
yeah,
please.
Atulji, thank you, and thank you, Paritoshji. After a long time, I'm confronting you. Of course, from your 15 minutes, I got really two great ideas, and one of them was actually reverse of what I learned or myself gathered in MNP 7. That was about 5-6 years back.
Yeah.
So one is like now you are mentioning, because that time you told never ask, never ask, never ask.
Yeah.
So now we are telling you, of course, have to ask also for yourself actually. And of course, in e-growth, we are practicing that, of course. So that is what my comment on your one thing. The second thing, of course, and that is really serious about business, that now people are having in a business, a portfolio or a divisions like chief digital officer, chief transformation officer. So I think I now get the idea I should have a chief networking officer in my company.
We recommend that these days in MNP. So yeah.
Okay.
Ask to hire a chief networking officer.
Okay. Thank you. So but I'll be looking forward for NRMP also. I missed the earlier one, of course, but this year, but it will be hybrid, or it will be physical, or it will be
hybrid.
Hybrid. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
My pleasure.
All right. Great. So Dharmishta. Dharmishta?
Talks.
Yeah, please.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah.
Okay. Paritosh is one person who walks his talks. I won't exaggerate. He is the person behind my key success in taking my relationships with self, family, and business to the next level. Point number two, as Atul rightly pointed out, eGrowth seed was sown in one of Paritosh's Bombay event, and I was a stranger there. But since last 18 months, it's just been a 360 angle change in my relationship with all of these three areas. So if you are one person who is looking at even 1% change in these three spheres, self, family, and business, I would highly recommend NRPN and the Gateway Ahead. That's it from me. Thank you, Paritosh, for all that you have created. Love you.
Thanks, man.
Awesome.
Love you too. You're a rock star, DBS.
Thank you. Dr. Sanjay?
Yeah, thank you. First of all, thank you, Paritosh Bhai, for such a wonderful teachings. We learned a lot as usual from you. 2 साल पहले 2019 में जब मैं पहली बार एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर पारितोष भाई को मैंने सुना, एक गेस्ट अपीयरेंस में आए थे ऐसे ही, और बाहर जब हम लोग मिले नाश्ते के लिए तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि एक NRPN आने वाला है फर्स्ट टाइम. वो मेरी पहली मीटिंग थी उनसे. एंड देन आई थॉट कि पिछले आधे घंटे में जो इन्होंने बोला नेटवर्किंग के बारे में, इससे ज्यादा और क्या हो सकता है. तो ये तो हो गई सारी नेटवर्किंग, अब आज आ गई, तो अब इस NRPN को करने की क्या आवश्यकता है. खैर एनीवेज, उसी दिन पता नहीं क्या मेरे मन में आया, पर्सनालिटी से प्रभावित हो गया या क्या हो गया, मैंने उसे ज्वाइन कर लिया. एंड देन दिसंबर की बात है, ये दिसंबर में हम लोगों ने जब 3 दिन का दिसंबर 19 में किया, सुबह 8 से 8, एंड दैट वाज कंप्लीटली, मतलब एक ऐसा शिफ्ट कि यस, नेटवर्किंग जिसे हम समझते हैं एक्चुअली वो नेटवर्किंग है ही नहीं. जैसे अभी एक छोटी सी झलक इस बात में आ गई कि हम लोग स्ट्रेटेजिक नेटवर्किंग नहीं करते, बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग नहीं करते, खाली नेटवर्किंग करते हैं. एंड इट इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस, इन वर्ड्स में ह्यूज डिफरेंस आ जाता है. तो जब वहां गए तो पता चला कि वहां पे लाइफ कोचिंग भी है, वहां पर गोल्स भी हैं, नेटवर्किंग, स्ट्रेटेजिक नेटवर्किंग क्या होती है, किस तरीके से किया जाए. दैट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी एंड आई एम रिपीटिंग इट. इस बार मैं उसे रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, और अगर कोई व्यक्ति रिपीट करता है तो एवरीवन नोज कि व्हाट डज दैट मीन. थैंक यू पारितोष भाई.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sanjay. Thank you.
Great, Ajay. मिथिलेश जी.
वेलकम पारितोष जी, और एक बार फिर से आपको सुन के और भी अच्छा लग रहा है. इनफैक्ट मैं और मेरे पार्टनर आशीष जी दोनों ही NRPN और MNP के इनके ट्रेनी हैं, और मैं और आशीष जी दोनों अपनी जो रिसेंट टाइम के सक्सेस, जो भी सक्सेस है उनका सबसे बड़ा जो हिस्सा है वो पारितोष जी के, वैसे इन्होंने समझा रखा है कि 80% अपना होता है, 20% ज्यादा सबको, बाकी सबको नहीं देना है किसी का क्रेडिट अपनी सक्सेस का. बट फिर भी मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि हमारे सक्सेस का मेजर 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 पार्ट पारितोष जी के ट्रेनिंग से आया है. और कोई भी आदमी जिसने NRPN नहीं किया, MNP तो बहुत बड़ी चीज है, अगर NRPN नहीं किया तो NRPN मिस करना उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज है, बहुत बड़ा लॉस हो सकता है. आप इसको जरूर कर रहे हैं. अब हम MNP कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद अगर ये बोल रहे हैं तो आप समझ सकते हैं. और मैं अगर ये बोल रहा हूँ, जो भी आदमी मुझे या आशीष जी को, मेरे पार्टनर को जानते हैं कि 2 साल 3 साल पहले हमारी क्या थी पोजीशन, और वहां से यहाँ तक आने में इनका कितना बड़ा योगदान, और जितने लोग इनके साथ ट्रेनिंग में हैं सबके साथ ये है. तो हाईली रेकमेंड कर रहे हैं, इसको ज्वाइन करें. 5 आदमी को ऑलरेडी मैं ज्वाइन करा, 5 और आदमी को कराऊंगा. इस लेवल पे रेकमेंडेशन हो रही है करने के बाद, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कितना अच्छा है. तो हर आदमी, एक भी आदमी को मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. यहाँ जो बिजनेस कर उनको बिल्कुल मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. थैंक यू पारितोष जी, हम लोगों को इतना सिखाने के लिए.
My pleasure. Thank you. इतना सीखने के लिए.
So can I take a 10 seconds?
अमित चावला के बाद लेंगे तो चलेगा?
Okay.
हाँ जी. अमित जी.
Yeah. Thanks first of all, Paritosh, for being coming on the platform and getting us back to the basics. So I'm also noting down my goals. I figured out that's was missing. Yes. Even though I've passed out from your program, but these basics sometimes we miss out. So thanks for sharing. But what I wanted to share with all of you was when I moved from my corporate life to become a coach in 2017, first thing I realized was कि मेरे को ना networking नहीं आती. So when that was in realization, I had that clarity that networking is this thing. And then I suddenly see Paritosh in the co-working space where we were sharing that office. And मैंने कहा ये कहाँ से आ गए, right? And I went for his NRPN, and in NRPN that was a huge impact. And when he was talking about his other program, at that time he was selling एक मॉड्यूल ले लो, 2 ले लो, 3 ले लो, मेरे को तो पूरा चाहिए. So I wanted to buy the whole one. So I joined that 1-year program, and that changed my life. And like others are talking about, their business got changed and other things, but even in that association for more than a year or so, I think my identity changed. My identity was defined. The word clarity, if you read my book, I've mentioned his name is in the book also. The word clarity came in a one-to-one session with Paritosh. We were sitting in a co-working space, and I was having one-to-one, and this thing came out. Very, very like a 5-minute. I had this H2H for only probably half an hour or so, and he asked me a question, and questions are very powerful. He asked me a question, Amit, what do your clients tell you after your coaching session? And I just say, हाँ, उनको clarity आ जाती है for the next steps, what they have to take. I just casually mentioned, and he said, clarity. Wow, that's interesting. And that was the turning point of my whole life. And after a few weeks of research, I defined myself as a clarity coach and started working on it. So I'm very, indebted to him to give me my MT. And also Paritosh came to Clarity Hive a few weeks back, and we were talking. He has given me some more points. So Paritosh, I'm working on it, by the way. So there's some research I'm doing on that. So that's next level. So I'll share with you later on.
Yes,
so
I'm really excited to see the outcome of that.
Yeah, so there is something I'm building. So you will start seeing that going forward.
Thank you.
And NRPN is coming up, so I'll be happy to be there to support. I've offered a Paritosh. I will be, if there's any support required, because there are more students, how I can help him. I'll be there. My testimonial is, by the way, on his website, so you can read that and watch that also. So I can't recommend anybody more than this. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So I'd like to add something here, which Amit, probably you also don't know. Okay. So I was participating in the NRPN, and there was an author who came to launch his book. This person's name is Amit Chawla. The book was Clarity First, and that was launched.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know that.
Right. So us din se, that is the day I had the intent that this person should be with me, and that is how, Amit, you're here. It's not a coincidence.
Yes,
yes.
I didn't know that.
So networking may, I don't know whether Paritosh, in your syllabus anywhere you cover the piece called intent. I think intent is something very, very, very important. It's only if you have the intent, things would move. Kya ho gaya, Paritosh? You were saying something? Or you want to add something to this?
Puri philosophy is एक चीज पे based है दोस्त. Puri philosophy is एक चीज पे based है.
Okay, great. So I was not aware of that. Okay. So Paritosh, thanks for giving so much valuable time. And I just wanted to share with you that this is what people think about you. Today, this day is all about acknowledgement. So we were just acknowledging the team who created eGrowth over the last quarter. And thanks for giving us the opportunity to acknowledge you. All right. I've already shared with all of us at Inner Circle that we have a very special offer from Paritosh. So on the regular price, there is a 30% off. I already have shared the discount code with you. Okay. If you don't have, just ping me and I'll be glad to give it to you. All right.
Sorry.
Yeah, please. Yes.
No, I just wanted to understand the format of that event which Paritosh is doing. The format, in the sense, is it I think somebody mentioned it's a hybrid. So I just want to understand the format and the time commitment, please.
Yeah, Paritosh, that'd be great. Yeah.
Sure. Hybrid जो हमने बात करी है वो सत्या जी मेरा जो annual program है उसकी बात कर रहे थे. That is going to be
Okay.
right.
Okay.
This 3 days. So, and New Rules of Professional Networking is our one of the most successful trainings because it opens a new gateway into networking altogether. We approach networking from a different perspective. It's a 3-day program which is happening on 9th, 10th, and 11th of April, and this is completely virtual. Right?
Okay.
You can attend it from wherever you are. The only thing that I recommend is you attend it from a laptop, not from a phone, right? Because it's an experiential program. ये ऐसा नहीं है जो आप बैठ के कर रहे होगे. So number one, it is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. all 3 days. Right.
Okay.
And it's not अभी जैसे हम बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं आप ऐसे प्रोग्राम नहीं कर रहे होगे. There's a lot of networking involved, a lot of exercises involved, a lot of jumping involved. काफी कुछ है. Right. So
Okay.
it's literally going to be like you are. It's going to be as close of experience as it can to you actually being in the room. And to do this, we have set up a whole studio right now, where I will not be sitting and running this session. I'll be standing here in my studio, running the show from here, making sure that the energies are high, everybody is working, right? So 3-day program, 9th, 10th, 11th, happening from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This content divided into 3 days. Right. Day 1, we work on the person. The day 2, we work on getting more organized, more structured. And then day 3, we work on the proven strategies of creating results from networking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Thanks.
My pleasure.
All right. Thank you, Paritosh. You're most welcome to stay with us for the remaining part of the morning today.
If it's okay, I would like to take your permission, Atul, because my daughter's classes are going on. She's sitting next door. I just have to make sure that she's got some help.
Yeah, absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Thanks a lot for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.